Hey guys, welcome back. This is Saif with another tutorial from TechForAll. In this tutorial, I will show you guys how to join the Microsoft's Windows Insider program. Let's start. For the purpose of this tutorial, I will be using Windows 11. First of all, open Start menu and then go to Settings. Point to be noted that you need to be signed in with a Microsoft account, and then you can join the Windows Insider program. First of all, add a Microsoft account and then open Settings and go to Windows Update. In the Windows Update, click on Windows Insider program and then click on Get Started button. Here it says you need to link an account to join the program. Click on the Link an Account. Choose the current account that you have signed in to the Windows 11 and then click on Continue button. Here you need to review the agreements for your account, which is completely okay for me. After you have reviewed the agreements, click on the Continue button. In the Windows Insider program, you have three channels: Developer, Beta channel, and Release Preview. Developer channel is highly recommended for technical users, and if you join the Developer channel, you will be the first one to access the latest Windows 11 builds. And point to be noted that the Developer channel is so much buggy because you will be the first one that you will receive the Windows 11 updates. After that, we have the Beta channel. Beta channel is a good channel. It is for earlier adopters. The Windows 11 builds will be more reliable than the Developer channel. The best and the good one is the Release Preview, because the Release Preview channel is the last channel that will receive the Windows 11 updates. After it has been checked by Developer channel and Beta channel, then it will be released for the Release Preview. It is less buggier and the most stable Windows 11 Insider program. I recommend that you go with the Beta channel, which is good and it is not much buggier than Dev channel, and also you will receive earlier updates than the Release Preview one. Click on the Beta channel and then click on Continue. And if you want to go with the Release Preview or Developer channel, simply select your option and then click on Continue button. Click on the Continue button again. Here it says that you need to restart your device to finish the Windows Insider program. Click on the Restart Now button to restart it. After the computer is restarted, open Start menu, then select Settings, then click on Windows Update and download all the updates. Currently, as you can see, I have fresh installed the Windows 11 and I need to install these updates. After that, I might get the Windows Insider program update. Here, as you can see guys, that after downloading the updates and restarting, now I am receiving the Windows 11 Insider Preview channel updates. And that's it for today guys. I hope this video helped you. Thumbs up if you liked the video and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. I will catch you very soon with another tutorial. Till then, have a nice time.